Welcome to this week's edition of This Week at AVS. Last Friday saw our non-uniform day and Children in Need fundraising. Some totals for you: we raised £677 for Children in Need, £451 for OurJay Foundation and £300 for the Poppy Appeal. That takes us to a grand total of £1,428 raised. Thank you to everybody who donated, thank you to the staff who took part in activities, and thank you to the students for embracing our charity events. This week has seen the launch of another major fundraising initiative at Avon Valley School. This is for the OurJay Foundation. We're asking students and staff to run, walk, cycle or swim 5k for the OurJay. We've got a totaliser. We're looking to raise £2,000 so that we can install a life-saving defibrillator outside the school gates, which will be available to the entire rugby community. Students can collect a sponsorship form from the heads of year and they can raise money to get to our total of £2,000. We think this is a really achievable aim, and we look for our community to support our students and staff in raising the funds for such a worthy cause. Last night we had our Year 9 Parents' Evening, and it was great to see so many Year 9 parents coming in to talk to staff about their child's progress and attainment in school. Thank you to all parents who attended, and if you couldn't attend that evening, please get in touch so that we can give you information about your child and how they're progressing at school. In line with our vision of helping students to achieve their unlimited potential, this week we've held Year 11 progress meetings with all subjects. In these meetings, we discuss students at individual level, look at how they've achieved in their mock exams, and then think about what we can do to support those students to achieve their potential. This has come up with around 300 actions for staff to do to help support students on their journey towards their GCSEs. We hope that parents will attend our Year 11 Parents' Evening to support this journey, which is on the 5th of December. Please book those appointments when they come out and come in so that you can help us to support your child to do their very best. We've got Year 11 Parents' Evening coming up on the 5th of December, and I would encourage all Year 11 parents to book your appointments when they come out. At the moment we've got attendance competitions running for tutor groups to reward students for good attendance. We know the importance of attendance on progress, and again during the term, in the run up to Christmas, we'd encourage all parents and students to realise the importance of attendance and make sure that we are in school. We have now launched our reward shop, which was introduced based on student feedback. Students can now spend their reward points on tangible prizes, and they can collect those by cashing them in, and they will be delivered once a week. Things range from queue jump passes for the canteen through to chocolate bars and snacks. Students have a range of choice, and we'd encourage them to use their reward points to get prizes. Information will be coming out to parents and students about our final week of term, which includes our annual Christmas dinner. Students can purchase a Christmas dinner on that final week, and they will have that together as a year group with their heads of year and tutors. Also in the final week of term we have lots of splash activities happening, and that will include external theatre company coming in and doing some performances to students on various different topics. During that week, on every single day, there will be normal lessons happening right up until the end of term. So it is important that students attend during that week and maintain that attendance to the end. If not, they will be missing out not only on valuable learning, but also wider community activities. Hope that you've enjoyed again this week's edition of This Week at AVS. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and you will find out about the amazing things that are going on at the incredible Avon Valley School.